Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to change your control settings, go ahead and pause the game by pressing the escape button. Then go into options, and now you can find the control settings as well as the controller scheme. If you are playing with your controller, then you may find some appropriate settings over here. Now click on key bindings to change the keys that are assigned within your keyboard. In order to change any control, go ahead and double click on the already assigned button. And now once you are prompted, go ahead and press your desired button. This will now change your keybind to your chosen button right away. You can reassign all of your keys by following this method. And once you are done, just press the escape button to go back, and your changes will be saved. You can then continue to play your game with your customized controls. And if you wish to change it in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into options, and then go into key bindings to make your desired change. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.